everyone. Today I'm gonna share some secret tips that can help you to viral your YouTube videos. I'm sure that after watching this video and applying the tricks that I'm gonna show you now, definitely you will get 1000+ views within a week.
So here is my channel named as Graphic Island. Now let me show you the analytics graphs. From the analytics graphs you can understand how much views nowadays I am getting. So here you can see the watch time. Before, how much I was getting. It was very less watch time I was getting, but after using those tricks you can see the watch time has been increased. Even if you see the average view duration, before I was getting the average view duration, you can see the graph here, and after using those tricks the average view duration has been increased. And the main thing is you can see the views. You can see how much I was getting before. 257 views I was getting before, but after using those tricks you can see how much I'm getting nowadays. More than 1000 views are coming daily. So you can understand, you can see the other graphs like likes, comments, shares, video in playlist, and subscribers. Everything has been increased. You can see here the real-time views. Before I was not getting more than 40 views, and now you can see 120 estimated views I am getting. So you can see the difference between before and after. So I recommend those tricks. Definitely you need to apply to get the views like that, the way I am getting now. You can see the views has been increased in each and every videos I applied. For every videos those tricks that I'm gonna reveal. So now it's time to walk you through those steps that I have applied before. Open a new tab in your browser and enter the website name, that is kparser.com. Now write the keyword related to your videos. So my videos are related to graphic design, so I can write the keyword as logo design in Illustrator and start. You can see Google, but we want YouTube, so select this. Now click on start and see. You can see logo design in Illustrator CC. So now we need to copy this keyword. From here we can copy, and this keyword we need to paste it in our video title. So click on edit, and here you can paste it like this way and save it. So this way you can find the best keyword highly searched in YouTube. So whenever any person search by this keyword, definitely your video will show up to the top of YouTube search and you'll get the views. So once again open a new tab and search the website, that is Better Way to Web. Here you need to paste the URL of video and get the tags. For that, search with the keyword logo design. So my videos are related to logo design, so I am searching with the keyword logo design, and let me find the famous logo video tutorial. You can see 16 million views. So open this and copy the URL and paste it here and find tags. Here you can see this video is having those much of tags. You need to copy those tags and go back to your YouTube channel. So here you can see the tags. So I'll paste those tags here and save it. So you need to do the same. Why I am pasting those famous tags here? Because these tags will help your video to go on suggested videos in YouTube search. So this way you can increase your views.
If you liked this video, please subscribe my channel and share this video with other YouTubers so that they can also get helped and get more number of views. Thank you for watching.